But the sun's going down in Santorini, and we need a new champion.
Oh, here we go, bringing in a little bit of theatrics. He's got the commander's hat on. Alexander Schauer, 6th place from 2014 from Austria. Your last chance to hashtag his name with Art of Motion if you think he's going to win. Here we go, Frosty, take it away.
Nice, touchdown side over the ledge, very smooth so far. Again, showing us some of those nice, clean skills, very technical, calm precision. Nice side out and palm flip on the wall. That low wall, again, adding the level of difficulty. And nice, super clean pike front. Just so clean in everything he does, going around the cameraman. Giving him some more fun as he sets up for this move. What is it? Oh, precision gainer onto the ledge. That's really tight, not only on the landing, but the takeoff is difficult. If you notice, his heels are up on the back of that ledge. So he's literally taking off just off of his toes, but absolutely nailing it. Really clean run. Alexander Schauer just looking off into the distance, soaking it all up.
Did he put a finger wrong? A toe wrong? I don't think so.
No, I
top
think
to bottom.
Exactly right.
We check the replay.
There you go. Nice. Very smooth. It's that touchdown side. Cart right here into his setup. Basically putting himself, using that flow to put him into position for his more technical, difficult moves. Really clean on the pikes. See that personality again come out. You can tell he's having fun as he's about to do something so difficult. Again, look at those heels.
Oh, yeah, indeed. Sorry.
He literally had to let his toes hang off the edge of that, and that wall is really slim.